Hi, welcome back to the Frank Walker Law Podcast, where we talk all things criminal defense and personal injury. Today, we're going to talk about one critical topic that a lot of people don't want to talk about. It's about why child porn cases are different. Now, if you are charged or you know someone who is charged with child porn, whether in state court or federal court, whether it be distribution of child porn, whether it be possession of child porn, whether it be selling of child porn, you want to make sure you have an attorney who's not afraid to look at that information and figure out what's the best way to defend these accusations. A lot of times, there's times where you're looking at information and you may think the person's over the age of 18. Or the material you're looking at, you're thinking, oh, I've registered for this website. I've registered for this group. I've registered in this group, and there's no way they can get that information or they can find me. Oh, I have an ISP protocol or a bypass or something. No, they will find you. The Attorney General's office, the local district attorney's office, the federal government, they are looking for these individuals who are looking at this information, who are looking at this evidence, and they make sure they have task force who are constantly monitoring this information and evidence that's out there. If you are charged with that, people are going to conclude that you are already guilty. It will be placed in the paper. Your name will be all over the place. Any type of child porn, anything involving a child, they will assume that you are guilty. So the odds are against you even before you started. Why? Because those types of cases, sex cases, child porn cases, possession of child porn, transportation, or even distribution of child porn, they're going to assume that you are guilty. Now, is that a correct assumption? No, it's not. You are absolutely presumed innocent until you are proven guilty in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania and any other state in the United States and even in the federal government. So if you are charged or indicted for a child porn offense or an offense that kind of looks like a child porn offense, a sex offense, make sure you get an attorney who's not afraid to review all of the discovery. Make sure you get an attorney who's not afraid to tell you the tough evidence that is against you, because you may think, oh, it's not that big of a deal. It's my first offense. I've never been arrested before. I didn't touch anyone. I didn't meet anyone. I didn't talk to anyone. Oh, the person was over the age of 18. Oh, the website told me I can register, and only people who are over the age of 18, I assume, were on this website. Obviously, you're not going to tell your attorney everything at the first time, because people like to hide things back. They like to just withhold information thinking, oh, they'll never find that out. First of all, tell your attorney everything. Second, the government already knows everything. They have that evidence against you, and they're going to try to prove that in court. And if you don't have an attorney who's willing to look at it, protect your rights, file the necessary motions, protect your interest in all of these cases, you have the wrong attorney. Don't go at it alone. Don't think it's just a mistake. Don't think it's just going to blow by. Don't think it's just, hey, it's not that big of a deal. I can take care of this. And conversely, don't think it's the end of the world, because you may think, oh, I'm charged with this, my life's over. It's not over. There are many people who've been charged with these types of crime, child porn, sex cases, and they think, oh, my life's over. And they get an attorney, either my office or someone who does the things that I do. And they're able to protect their rights, protect their interests, and make sure they can maintain some type of dignity after these charges are done. Resolve either in a not guilty plea, or a guilty but a lesser included offense, or a guilty of another offense. But they're able to maintain their life and some semblance of life moving forward. As always, any questions, give us a call, 412-532-6805, or visit us online at frankwalkerlaw.com.